Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest with Webull Easy Guide. Open the Webull app and create an account, verify your identity, and fund your account with a bank transfer. Learn how to navigate watch lists, place market and limit orders, and use fractional shares. We'll cover basic research, risk management, and setting alerts. By the end, you'll feel confident placing your first trade and monitoring positions responsibly. Start by completing account setup, choosing individual or IRA, and enabling two-factor authentication for security. Learn how to deposit funds, transfer positions, and check buying power. I will explain order types like market, limit, and stop loss, and when to use each. We'll also discuss diversification, position sizing, and simple risk controls so you can build a clear plan before making trades on Webull. Use Webull's research tools like analyst ratings, earnings calendars, and news feeds to form trade ideas. Learn chart basics, indicators, and timeframes to align trades with your plan. Set price alerts and use watch lists to track opportunities without overtrading. Remember, taxes and fees can affect returns, so view statements regularly. Start small, review results, and adjust your strategy as you gain experience and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.